Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to this stunning walking tour of Cable Beach, Bahamas. I'm excited to take you along on this journey as we explore the crystal clear waters, sandy beaches, and breathtaking views that this destination has to offer. Before we get started, I want to ask you to hit that like button if you're excited to join me on this tour. Your support means a lot to us and helps us bring more exciting content like this to you. Also, don't forget to write a comment below the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. Let's start our tour.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my box, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
You'll have the opportunity to try local delicacies like conch fritters and cracked conch while sipping on a Bahama Mama or a goon-based mash. One of the most iconic landmarks of Cable Beach is the Cable Beach Tower, located at the eastern end of the beach. This tower offers stunning panoramic views of the beach and surrounding areas. It's the perfect spot to take amazing photos or just sit and soak up the beauty of the Bahamas. We'll also walk along the western end of the beach, where you'll see the beautiful Saunders Beach. This beach is less crowded than Cable Beach and offers a more secluded and peaceful experience. Finally, we'll end our tour at the breathtaking Love Beach, located a short distance from Cable Beach. This secluded beach is known for its turquoise waters and pristine white sands, and it's the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the beauty of the Bahamas. Well, that brings us to the end of our tour of Cable Beach, Bahamas. I hope you enjoyed the stunning scenery and crystal clear waters as much as I did. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below the video. And, of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel videos.